If you're looking for an additional monitor for your mobile workstation, but you feel like carrying your 24-inch or 27-inch or 32-inch or whatever inch monitor that you have around with you is too much hassle, well, you're not wrong. Thankfully, there are tons of USB-C monitors on the market that you can carry around with you and plug in whatever device you want. My name is Yadullah. You're watching Candid.Technology, and today we're reviewing one such monitor from MSI. It's called the Pro MP161, and well, it's an interesting thing to take a look at. So let's get started. For starters, when you open the box, you get a USB-C cable, a mini HDMI to HDMI cable, a sleeve, and well, this monitor. Speaking of the monitor itself, you get 55% sRGB coverage. There is a 250 nits peak brightness. It runs off USB-C and off HDMI, and that's pretty much it. It's a rather mediocre monitor with a matte panel finish on top. So it's not like you're getting the best for your money or the best editing or viewing experience possible. The viewing angles are also respectable, but not exactly the greatest. And you get 60 Hz refresh rate, so if you plan on gaming on this thing, it's well, if you're happy with 60 FPS, then you're happy with 60 FPS. Content creation and editing work is going to be a breeze as long as you're not too concerned about the refresh rate or about the color accuracy. Now, granted, this thing isn't the most color accurate panel in the world, which is an IPS-TN panel going on behind here. But for its intended use case, which is just an additional monitor beside your laptop or your console or whatever it is that you're taking on the go, this works just fine. This panel does have a 4 millisecond response time, so as long as your PC or console or whatever it is that you're using to power the monitor can push up to 60 frames per second, you can actually have a decent time gaming on it. However, the build quality will leave a few things to be desired. Now, there's nothing wrong with this. It's pretty lightweight to carry, it's pretty thin, and the included sleeve keeps it protected when you go about with the monitor. Now, you do get a small hinge here, a small kickstand of sorts that you can use to prop it up either in a landscape or a vertical environment, and that is great because this monitor shines when you're using it as a secondary to an app. So you could have your Slack messages on here, your Feedly or your RSS feeds or anything that has vertical scrolling space. This monitor will do great for it. But that's not all of its intended use case. You can use it for, like I said, video editing and photo editing as well, as long as you're not too concerned about the color accuracy, in which case you can just throw some of your tools, windows onto this and have your main screen view whatever it is that you're working on. Another good factor about this monitor is that it supports a wide range of devices. So you can plug, of course, your PC, you can plug your consoles, which is Nintendo Switch, if you have the dock, and I don't know why you would be carrying around a dock when you're on the about, but you can do it if you want. You can also plug in your camera to this via the mini HDMI port on board. At the price point of 15,000 rupees or about $200 in the US, this is a great addition to throw in your backpack if you like extra screens when you're out and about. Now, there are other solutions to this problem and they all work in more or less the same way, but if you don't want your laptop turning into a clamshell mounting device, well, this is the way to go. Now, you do get two speakers on each end of the unit, but they're tinny at best, they're not very loud, and see, if you need speakers in a pinch, this will get the job done, but that's about it. Use your headphones for this one. If you like this video, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below what more such gadgets can we review for you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website, Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.